In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to delete stickers on Snapchat. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get right into it. Now before I show you the process, you can only delete those stickers that you created by yourself. Other than those stickers, those which are available on Snapchat, you won't be able to delete them. So let me quickly show you. Open up your camera on Snapchat and take any snap first. I'll capture a blank screen. From here, tap on the sticker icon that you see on the top right. From this section, just tap on the scissor icon on the top. After you do that, all of the stickers that you created will be visible. To delete these stickers, you can just tap and hold and you'll have an option of delete. Tap on the delete option and the sticker will be instantly deleted. Similarly, you can delete all of the stickers that you have. Just repeat the same process and tap on delete. And like I earlier said, you can't delete the stickers which are already existing on Snapchat. Even if you tap and hold the sticker, you won't see an option of delete. So that's the way of deleting stickers on Snapchat. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching.